Hey there, business owners and marketers. Want to automate your customer messages on Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp? Let me show you how to use ManyChat AI step by step, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Step 1, sign up. First, head over to ManyChat.com and click Get Started Free. Sign in using your Facebook or Google account and connect your Facebook page or Instagram business account. Boom, you're in. Step 2, create your first bot 025040. From your dashboard, go to Automation Flows and click Plus New Flow. Name your flow, like Welcome Bot, and you'll enter the drag and drop flow builder. This is where the magic happens. Step 3, build your chat flow. Add messages, buttons, quick replies, and connect them like a conversation tree. ManyChat's AI even helps suggest responses and auto-reply to common customer questions. No coding, no stress. Step 4, welcome message plus triggers. Set up your welcome message so new users feel at home. Hey, thanks for messaging us. How can I help today? Then add keywords like price, book, or support to guide the bot on how to reply. Step 5, connect your channels. Use ManyChat with Instagram DMs, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, or even add a chat widget to your website. You can reach your audience everywhere, all from one dashboard. Step 6, test plus go live. Test your flow using the preview button. Everything working? Then hit publish and go live. Your chatbot is ready to chat 24/7, even while you sleep. Bonus tip, using ManyChat Pro. Use their built-in AI content assistant to generate replies, summarize chats, or improve your scripts. Super helpful. And that's it. You've just built your first AI chatbot with ManyChat. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check the link in the description to try ManyChat for free. Start automating, save time, and grow your business like a pro.